How do you press fit pipework? If you want a premium, flame-free press fit system, that's where Geberit Mapress comes in. There's no soldering, threading or welding required, making it a fast and reliable option for professional pipework installations. Geberit Mapress is commonly used for heating, cooling, potable water, compressed air and industrial pipework. The system is available across stainless steel, carbon steel and copper pipework. To press fit fittings from 12 to 35 mm, you'll need Mapress pipe, Mapress fittings, a deburring tool, a marking tool, the correct pressing jaw and a compatible pressing tool. First, deburr the cut pipe to remove any sharp edges. Using the marking tool, mark the correct insertion depth on the pipe for the size you are installing. Insert the pipe fully into the fitting until it reaches your marking. Next, connect the correct jaw to the pressing tool. Close the jaw around the connection area, making sure it is seated correctly. Press down on the pressing tool and allow it to complete the full press cycle. Once pressed, peel off the pressing indicator to confirm the joint has been completed. That's it, the fitting is now securely pressed onto the pipe. For larger pipe and fittings, up to 66.7 mm, there is an extra step. You'll also need a pressing collar, an adapter jaw, and the Geberit Pressing Tool XL+. Before fitting the adapter jaw, press the tool so the rollers move into the correct position. Then pull, twist and release the locking pin to stop the rollers to suit the size of the adapter jaw. Add the adapter jaw to the pressing tool. Connect the pressing collar around the connection point of the fitting. Then connect the pressing collar to the adapter jaw. Press the fitting and allow the tool to complete the full press cycle. Once finished, disconnect the pressing tool, adapter jaw and collar. The pressing indicator should easily peel off once the joint has been correctly pressed. Now let's go even bigger, with the fittings up to 108 mm. For these larger sizes, you'll need an adapter jaw 2XL, models 221 and 222, and a pressing collar 2XL. First press, then pull, twist and release the locking pin to let the rollers go fully down. This creates enough room for you to correctly fit the adapter jaw model 221. Connect the 2XL pressing collar around the connection area and lock it securely in place. Attach the pressing tool to the collar, then complete the first press. For fittings below 108 mm, this completes the pressing process. For 108 mm fittings, leave the collar on the fitting and remove the adapter jaw 221 and replace it with adapter jaw 222. Reconnect the pressing tool to the collar and complete the final press. Once the second press is complete, disconnect the tool and collar. Peel off the pressing indicator to confirm the fitting has been fully pressed. That is how you use Geberit Mapress across the different materials and size ranges within the system. It's fast, clean, flame-free and ideal for professional pipework installations. If you need a press fit system like this, visit pipestock.com now.